Hi everybody, it's Dr. Hydro here. So I'm going to have to clean up my tomato cages today out back because they're getting really heavy with leaves and stuff like that. And it's getting hurricane season, I'm getting worried, so I'm going to be cleaning up my canopy now and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So another thing that's really important, like I said, with supporting your tomatoes is things like this happen where your branches will fall and you don't want to leave them like this too long. I should really scoot all of this over, clean up all this extra stuff in here where bugs can hide. This is too much. This plant doesn't need this many leaves. And then I need to find all these branches that are broken and leaned over and find a better way to support them, because all the energy in my tomato plant is going to go towards healing these little wounds. Like if you come closer here, you can see I have a fracture. And it's not going to really kill my plant or really hurt it, but this plant is sending energy right now towards repairing this little wound it has. So it's my job to clean all this mess up, give it a good haircut, and give it the support that it needs to keep producing these fruits. Oh look, right here, this is another reason to clean up your canopy. You want to kill these with fire. Kill them with maximum killage, with carnage. This is going to start putting little bugs and nets and stuff in your canopy, and it could take it down. So clean this up. Don't give it anything to feed on. Don't just throw your clippings on the ground. Make sure you have a bucket or some sort of a garbage bag and get rid of them. Don't let them stay inside your enclosure too long. So we can see here that the weight of the top of my canopy actually broke this branch, and it's pretty bad. I need to cut this before it starts attracting a lot more pests and taking up the energy of my plant. So this was pretty damaged, and I'm gonna go ahead and sacrifice all these blooms here because the rest of the plant is just gonna waste energy trying to repair this branch. All these extra leaves are just breeding grounds for whiteflies and the tomato crawlers that will decimate your crops. So clean it up. Try not to cut the branches that have tomatoes on them, which I've done. It makes you really sad when you realize it. So these branches need some support. They've kind of grown wild in the past week. I haven't been out here that often, and I need to support them and trellis them up, because you can see I've got some baby tomatoes growing here and I don't want to lose them. So if this branch continues to grow down, the branch is going to break and I'm going to lose my fruits. Well, I really have my work cut out for me between these two cages here. So I'm going to do all this cleaning up and I will check back with you when I'm done. This is why we clean, because if you get too many leaves accumulating, you get these little bastards. I'm sorry, you get these little grubs. They are not your friend. They don't turn into butterflies. They eat your tomato plants. Kill them with fire. Well, there you have it. I have cleaned up as much as I can, and I've lost a lot of daylight. So this is all I could get accomplished in an hour. I think I did pretty well. And hopefully I stopped a few pests from eating my tomatoes. Thank you for watching as I cleaned up my tomato trees canopies. They're getting really, really big, and it's just time for maintenance, and this is something you should do regularly for your plants. About once a week, go out there and clean up all that excess vegetation. Thank you for watching. As you can see, my beautiful Dr. Hydro sign. I just wanted to show that off. So thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.